Say hello to my #1 selling breakfast taco, Saxx's bacon, egg, potato, and cheese. It's not just the ingredients that make these tacos fly off my grill, it's the love I put into cooking them. One large egg smothered in bacon grease cooked to perfection. Busted yolk for thick, soft center. Air fried bacon, peppered and crispy. Topping my unmatched grilled potato recipe. Sprinkled with Mexican mixed cheese and served in a lightly grilled flour tortilla. Take that, competition.